Yeah. Yeah.
Red?
Yeah.
Red?
Like the red and then the number. The time lapse.
It's on a time lapse?
No. Now it's 11 seconds. Pump it up, chomp. Hey, it says max 3 PSI. Chill. For real? I think this thing's broken, but we got it.
Sure. It's fixed.
I'm gonna move the truck. We're about to go in the water, finish inflating it. The pink Red Bull, pretty gas. Yes, sir. You sure it's good? Yeah. There's a fish. Oh, look at that fish. Look, look, look.
Where?
Right there. It just came out 2 times, bro.
I'm
There's
gonna see,
fish
bro.
here. We're going right over it. We're in cruise control right now. It's recording.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Chill, bro. I'll crash the whip. The whip.
Oh, shoot. Living life, man. Money brings happiness, man.
Money does bring happiness.
Hey.
Waves.
Woo. Living life out here. It's like probably 112 degrees. Lake Pleasant. It's lit. Toma. Bro, I'm always doing something, like every single day. I never catch a break, but it's nice. Oh, my phone is overheating.
Oh, crap, Max.
Oh, yo, there's some big ass waves. It's 4th of July right now. There's a lot of people here, but it's not that bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Actually, whatever you guys, grab that.
Alright, good.
We're going forward now.
Wait, what the? This is sick as fuck, bro. It's full throttle.
What the hell?
I'm going it this way. Oh, shit.
No fucking way.
What are y'all doing today?
Just came out here to test it.
Yeah. Hey, y'all want some drinks?
No, we don't drink.
How old are you?
19.
Okay, never mind. Yo, Danny, if I get sucked under, bro, I'm screwed. What'd you say? Shout out your YouTube channel. Here.
Hey.
Fucking dick, bitch. What you want me to tell you? What's up?
The cops are right there. The water cops. I don't think we're allowed to even be on the water right now with this because we have no tags. I think you need tags for an engine. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go back and hopefully he's gone by then.
Excuse me, sir. This is an ice cream truck on a water.
You got tap? You have tap? Tap to pay?
Back up, back up. How much? I'm chopped. What are your guys' prices? What are your prices? Yeah?
$4.
Oh, we can. What is it? Go on the front.
Cops are still over there. I'm recording, bro. No. Is it turning? What? Careful. Oh, frick, I think it's coming. The boat turn. Don't put pressure. I'll back in, bro. What's that? I'll back in. It's like you got a little buzzing.
What's patent pending?
I don't know.
Well, now I know that if you stand on this, it won't even.
Yeah.
That's dope, bro. Dude, we could honestly do a backflip.
We could.
We should honestly do a backflip.
That was not it.
Fuck you. The water's spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah. What? The motor's off, right?
No.
Yeah?
Didn't you leave it in reverse?
No. Ah!
Let me turn it on.
No.
Look at all the little fish
Where?
in the water. All the minnows.
Huh?
There's little minnows. Oh, they're gone now.
What?
You're bringing the whole boat to the side. This one's recording. This one's not. That one's recording. This one isn't.
You just gotta get on it.
That's coming this way.
Oh, for real? Do it again.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Should I jump in?
Yeah.
Ready?
You gotta get on that.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Free. Never did this before.
Oh, I almost did. It's a good platform, though. Ah, I did the same thing. Yours, when did you have it? I don't remember you having one.
I don't know. I don't think we were friends.
How long was that?
A long time ago.
By yourself or?
My dad. At the pond next to my house. Oh, it's cold.
What pond? Oh, this is
Not swimming though.
Yeah,
The water's not.
Was your motor better than this?
No. It looked the same. It was older.
It was electric?
Yeah. We used the car battery.
Oh, yeah?
I can't do it either.
Tim can.
Tim can do it. Yeah, it is. Don't open it.
I remember my dad, we launched the boat with the drain bolt open. We saw it sinking so fast.
It's recording.
What? You got it! What a bum.
Ready? Oh, wait. Where? Oh, yeah. Got it? Go. Lift the other side up. I can't. Like this? No. I'm gonna cover the drop. Yeah, lift like this. That has to be up. I know. I can't. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Go. Get up. Grab the water. It's just such a cock spot, bro. Yeah. So steep. Sick over here.
Now you can get on here.
Where? Man, what a day. That was fun. Dang, bro, the lake is packed.
It's packed. Max, if we get would you put half on the water?
I'm already throwing 2K into a freaking company, bro, so they can
That's
so they can
$100
expand. Yes, I believe in it though.
Nice.
Yeah.